Hi friends, we're back and we are going to do a little bit more sign language today. It's going to be a quick one today. We're going to review the numbers we've already done and we're going to move on from there. So let's go on to the numbers we've done 1 through 10. 1, point your finger is up. 2, it looks like the letter V. Now you might be saying, well, it's the letter V. How do you know it's not the number 2 or it's not the letter V? Well, it's just kind of like you use it in context. For example, there's 2 different kinds of see, correct? Like I see you and a big body of water that's a sea. It's the context you use it at. If I say I'm going to go get my beach towel and lay down by the sea or go fishing in the sea, you know it's not the sea that we see with. You understand? So here we go. Number 1, pointer finger up. Number 2, number 3, thumbs out. Number 4, 4 fingers up. Number 5, full hand. 6, we're going to touch the thumb to the pinky. 7, we're going to move it over and the thumb is going to touch the ring finger. 8, the thumb will now touch the middle finger. And 9, the thumb is going to touch your pointer. Now what do we do for 10? Anyone remember? That's right. We use that thumb and we wiggle it a little. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the number 11 is you're going to take that pointer finger just like you would the number 1. You're going to turn it towards yourself, but I'm going to show you this way. You're going to flick it twice with your thumb. So it's going to be pointed towards you, flick twice. That's 11. 12, same thing. You're going to take the number 2 and you're going to flick twice. 13, you're going to bend in the number 3. It's also facing you, and you're going to bend it towards yourself twice. 14, same thing. You're going to take the 4 fingers and bend it towards yourself twice. 15, guess what you're going to do? That's right. You're going to take the whole hand and bend it twice. That's 15. Now 16 is a little different. You're going to start with the letter A. So I hope you remember your alphabet, letter A. You're going to face it towards yourself and then you're going to turn it out. And as you turn it out, you're going to make the number 6. So 16. It starts with an A and turned out 16. 17, same thing. Start with an A and turn it out to the 7. That's 17. 18, same thing. Start with the letter A facing you and then to the middle finger, 18. 19, again, but with the pointer finger. And 20, you're going to take, kind of like your birdie beak, right? You're going to take your 2 fingers and you're going to tap them twice. 20. So let's review 11 through 20. Flick twice, 11. 2 fingers flick, that's 12. 13, you're going to take your 3, twice in. 14, 15. 16, A to 6. 17, 18, 19, and 20. Well, please practice on your own because you know practice makes permanent. That's what I always say. Put a smile on someone's face, share, like, subscribe, and we will see you next month.
D-Nice says, do something nice.
Mimi's message, put a smile on someone's face today.
Friend shake.
Ooh, boom, boom. Air high five, spin, shake. See you soon.